Hello, my name is Diana Ruth Briscoe with Bridges.Academy, and I'm here with David Quigley, creator of alchemical hypnotherapy, master alchemist. And I had the pleasure and the privilege of learning advanced psychic development from David Quigley. And it was a life-changing experience to go through this in-depth course. And I would love to have David share with you all what this course is about, how you can benefit from this course.
Excellent. This course is about opening the psychic abilities that are natural to all of us in many different areas, learning how to heal and transform our own bodies by utilizing the spiritual and psychic energies of the golden egg, which you may remember from Castaneda's teachings as the filaments of brilliant light that surround us in a torus form. We can learn how to work with the 7 chakras of the auric field, and to recognize the existence of diseases as they have entered our body through weak points in our auric field, our belief systems, our emotional bodies. And we can learn how to correct those energy deficiencies and tangles to create health and vitality in our bodies. This is the nature of our psychic development program. And it is divided into a group set of 5 different classes, each one of which can give you an insight into a particular area of psychic and spiritual development. Each of these is a standalone class, or you can take, as you recommend, Diana, you can take all 5 of them and get a tremendous understanding of the spiritual world and how it operates, and skills with which you can transform your lives and everyone your heart can touch.
Absolutely. And all these courses build upon the other ones. So it really benefits the student to take them all. For example, the medical intuition, it encompasses the auric field that you'll learn about in the 7 chakras. And then that will go with understanding so much more about the complete soul energetic field, and the alchemical tarot with the alchemical dreamwork. It all goes together. So the opportunity to take them all through Zoom around the world, it will really benefit, rather than just I mean, it's all these are standalone are excellent, but you really build upon the other ones. So because it's so layered, all of this, the soul and the afterlife, it's just amazing, of course.
And the first of these is the course in the 7 chakra system, the ancient system of Tantra, in which we describe, people often think it's about other things, but it's about organizing the energy of our own bodies through the 7 chakras. And you can read about it in the Tree of Life article and the Tree of Life electronic book, ebook off my website at alchemyinstitute.com. And in this book, you can study how the auric field is designed and how it's structured around the 10 Sephiroth of the Tree of Life. And you will learn how different parts of the body function in certain very specific ways in the auric field, and how those interact with our organ systems, our bodies, and our spiritual and physical activities in the world. The Tree of Life is an amazing opportunity to learn about your auric field and specifically the strengths and weaknesses within it, as well as learn how to read the auric fields of others.
Yes. And then that medical intuitive class.
Yeah, the medical intuition class is really fun because we get to explore what is the underlying cause of illnesses that impact our bodies. And we get to learn how they interact with the chakra system. This is a very exciting and fun field of development. You can read all about in my, for example, my cancer blog or my COVID blog on the internet. You can learn how diseases have an affinity for certain weaknesses in the emotional, mental, and spiritual body. And we'll learn how to discover how the illness got in there. And we've discovered tools by which we can clear the underlying cause of that condition in the medical intuition class. Now, of course, it's very difficult for us to look into our own body sometimes and see the source of an illness. That's why it's so valuable to have fellow students assisting us and assisting us in examining the source of the pain, the source of the healing within the inner world. That's the medical intuition class, an exciting opportunity to explore how you can discover these things in yourself and in others.
Yes. And it really improved my work with my clients to be able to offer them that.
Well done. Exactly. Me too. Now, the next class on our list, of course, the next two on our list is working with Dreamwork and working with the Tarot. And I know you have a lot to say about that, Diana. You were deeply connected to both of those classes. So let me talk first of all about dream work. People have the understanding that dreams certainly bring wisdom from the collective unconscious down into our present world. However, what most people don't understand is how to assimilate that wisdom, how to learn it. And what people think is, well, maybe there's dream interpretation, dream analysis, go to a licensed psychotherapist, go to a priest, go to a counselor. What does this dream mean? But in alchemical dream work, you learn to use the trance state to enter the dream, speak to the dream beings that come to us, learn their messages, receive their healing powers, and even go back to the memories from our past that these dreams are bringing to our attention, and learning to heal the emotions, the core beliefs, and the spiritual errors of our past. That's where dreams can take us if we're doing alchemical dream work. If you have a dream that you know has meaning and power, but you don't want to trust some therapist to know what it is, come to the alchemical dream work class, and you will find out from your own dream weaver everything that it means, and will learn to solve it. That's the dream work class.
And then the tarot.
Yeah. The tarot class is a lot of fun. Many people think that you have to learn and know how to read tarot cards in order to do an alchemical tarot reading. Well, not really. I was actually a very well-known tarot reader and went by the book and even designed my own tarot cards and wrote a book with with interpretations of the tarot cards. And then I discovered alchemical tarot. But alchemical tarot, doesn't matter what tarot deck you're using, because you actually help the client to enter into the scenery, the pictures, talk to the beings within the tarot card, and receive their wisdom.
Embodying them.
Embodying them.
Embodying, yes.
Exactly. But a client reads, used to read me do one of my tarot readings many, many years ago, and I'd say, well, so this present influence, future influence, outcome. Oh, well, that's interesting. I hope it comes true. Some of it certainly makes sense. But this time when they come out of trance, oh my God, but I felt that guy riding on the lion as the final outcome. I saw this vision of how it was going to go in that interview, and I felt myself feeling this power running through me. Wow. That is a tarot reading, right? You see, you will learn how to do that kind of tarot. Your knowledge of alchemy, your knowledge of moving into the world of the client's inner kingdom, that's more important than whether you can interpret tarot cards or not. In this work, in fact, I have to keep my mouth shut, Diana. I'm sure you do too, because you're a skilled reader, right? And I have to keep my mouth shut to think, oh my God, did they realize what that card means? And then they come up with an interpretation that sometimes blows me away. Oh my gosh, I've never seen that in that card before, but it sure is there. Sure is there.
Definitely empowering for them to feel and know for themselves what it is, rather than being told what it means without.
So bring your tarot deck, if you have one, to that reading and that reading class, and I will give you the reading formats you need to use and how to take that information and interpret it into a very accurate assessment for the client's past, present, and future, delivered by the same power within their subconscious mind that delivers the dreams of transformation.
Absolutely. And then can you let us know about the importance of taking the death and afterlife class. I think that's a
That's
class
right.
that brings
Well,
so much peace.
that's so true. It's the afterlife class. Death in the afterlife is of critical importance. Well, actually, it's only of importance, frankly, for those few of my clients that are actually going to die someday or know someone that will.
Yeah.
And if you want to know what that's really all about, if you'd like to cut through all the religious nonsense and all the atheistic, scientific nonsense, and believe me, that has nothing to do with real science. If you'd like to know what the real science is about the survival of the soul and the afterlife, and I'm a physicist with a background in cosmology. And of course, have enough of a background, of course, as a necromancer in the spiritual world that I can tell you all about it. Studied it directly from the Tibetan Book of the Dead, as well as leaving my body and being carried into the other world and brought back to it. You want to learn about what happens when you die, listen to the science, please. And the science, over 4 million people have come back. Over 100,000 have told their stories. Many thousands of these have proven the existence of the soul and a consistency to what happens when you die. I'll also be giving you tips on how you can make the death experience so much easier for yourself and your loved ones. There's no reason to have to go not gently into that good night. Fight for what? Fight for what? Or would you rather learn how to fly to your death like greased lightning, like the best orgasm you've ever had? You will learn how to do that. And believe me, it isn't natural. You will learn, though, how to transmit and transform into the other side for yourself and your loved ones very easily in that class. The ancient mystery schools are the source of this wisdom, but so is modern research into the field of death and the afterlife. So in case you might die someday, who knows, maybe you will, you might want to be prepared. And by the way, I'm not talking about some moral inventory or making sure you go to church and get washed in somebody's blood. This has nothing to do with that. This is all about simply understanding what's really going to happen, what you need to be prepared for, and how you can use your experience of death to launch your soul into a brand new way of living and dying.
Yeah. There's so much peace in understanding these principles, how to approach this with a reverence and sacredness, and to get free from our lack of understanding of our soul's journey. So I want to thank you for offering this. It's so important. And these classes, they go perfectly with each other. They overlap, but they are also available as standalone classes for the general public, as well as alchemical hypnotherapists and other healers that are interested. And we want to thank you for offering this in-depth, powerful program. And it's available through Zoom. So anyone around the world is able to have this opportunity. Thank you so much for joining us today, David Quigley. Can't wait for this course. Thank you.
Well, your psychic powers remain undiminished for sure. I can hardly wait myself.